Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Rob, and let's face it, carrying too much debt is one of the worst feelings in the world. It causes anxiety, stress, worry, and none of those things are good for you. The way I see it, there's two ways to pay off debt. One, you buckle down, you budget, you scrimp and save, and you pay that debt off over 1 to 5 years. Or, if you're anything like me and have no patience, you sell everything you own except for the bare necessities, and you pay off everything within a year. That's exactly what we've decided to do, and we've been documenting it through video for the last 2 months. So if you haven't subscribed, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy the video, please hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. So hit or miss, this is what we're doing. And the first step is selling our house. So for the last 2 months, we've been renovating and finishing up the little odds and ends that needed to be done before we could list it. We're almost there, and this week is no exception. I'm heading out to the shop to clean up, paint out, and pack up everything I can. So kick back, enjoy, and pray your garage looks nothing like mine.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. Set aside your worries, it's okay now. The sun is here to stay.
I've already went ahead and taken down the upper cabinet, so I'm going to be painting that wall. I'll leave the lower cabinets in here, but as you can see, there's so much stuff that we've been just piling in here. A lot of it just needs to go away. So last year I built my computer, and I've got all of these empty boxes. Some are still full from components that I used when building this desktop. So I've got to pack this stuff up, and all the wires and everything that has been stored from that build, just in case something breaks. So that's what I need to pack away now. This was an old laminated piece of fir blocking that came out of an old renovation in a city that I was going to turn into a workbench, and probably still will, but have not got around to it. So as usual, I just keep moving around, but I don't think I'll be throwing it away. It's something I do want to do. It's great for a workbench. It's very thick and it's very heavy. taken everything off the walls, all the screws out. Now I'm going to use Dry Dex mud, which is a fast drying mud, because I want to get this painted out today. So I'm going to go ahead and mud the holes and do a little bit of caulking and let that all dry, and then I will start to paint this place out. Well, if you made it through this far in the video, my hat's off to you, because watching somebody paint is about as boring as watching paint dry. Anyhow, it turned out really good. 3 coats on all the walls. For a shop, that's pretty good. And that's all any new buyer of this house should expect as well. So if you like this video, stick around for part 2 of cleaning up this shop, because part 2 is much worse than part 1. But the first thing I got to do is go and get a storage container and lock that up so I have a place to put a lot of this stuff. So stay tuned for part 2 of cleaning up our garage. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time on Ham and Halo. Peace out.